Hello friends, this is Coach Veer again on my YouTube channel Coach Veer, and in this video we'll talk about some very critical questions like this one, which looks amazing by saying like threes are everywhere, but how to deal with it, and these type of questions that we will going to learn in this video. And let's start. So here we have given some fractions and we need to add them, and there are 14 of them, right? So how to add them and what to do in this kind of situation? So we have to think how actually we can make pairs so that they have some similarity over them. Let's do it. Suppose this first one and this last one, if we take them together, like 1 over 3 to the power of 7 plus 1 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 7 plus 3 to the power of 14. See, if we take 3 to the power 7 common from this part, like let's leave the first part same and do some alteration in the second part like this, 3 to the power of 7, then it will become 1 plus 3 to the power of 7, right? Then we can think about the LCM or taking a common denominator. So common denominator is obviously 3 to the power of 7 bracket 1 plus 3 to the power of 7. Now this does not have 3 to the power of 7, so 3 to the power of 7 will be multiplied with 1, and this 1 of this one will remain here because its denominator is same as the denominator we are taking. Now this will cancel out this stuff because its addition is like we can commutate it, and it's same as 1 plus 3 to the power of 7 or 3 to the power of 7 plus 1. So we can write it as 1 over 3 to 7. Like that we will, means I am not skipping any. I will tell you each and every aspect of this question. So let's take the second part and the second last part. 3 to the power of 13. Sorry, this 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 7 plus 3 of 13. Now you see same here, but there is a little bit of change in this, means I have to do a little bit of alteration, you can say. Let me do it. So in the first one, if I take 3 common, so it will become 3 to the power of 6 plus 1, right? And in the second one, I have to take 3 to the power of 7 because I need 1 plus, it will become 3 to the power of 6, right? Because 7 is subtracted from 13, so 6 is left. Now same thing, we can take the LCM, the common denominator. So what's the common denominator here? 3 to the power of 7 bracket 1 plus 3 to the power of 6. And you see it has a 3 to the power of 1 here, and 3 to the power of 7 we need to make it. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 to the power of 6 for this part, and this part remains the same. Same thing happens here. This get cancelled out with this thing, and we still get 1 over 3. Like that, means if we keep on doing this stuff, making pair, a stage will reach like 3 to the power of 7 plus 3 to the power of 2. Okay, here it will become 2 power, here it will become 12, here it will become 3 power, here it will become 11, here it will become 4 power, here it will become 10, here it will become 5 power, here it will become how much? 9, here it will become 6, and here it will become 8. Then comes 7, but 7 is only 1, so we can write it 1 over 3 to the power of 7 plus 3 to the power of 7, which is exactly 1 over 2 times of 3, right? But what about these pairs? These pairs will give you 1 over 3 to the power of 7, 1 over 3 to the power of 7, 1 over 3 to the power of 7, and all. So you can check how many ticks I have made. 1, 2, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So total 7 pairs will be there from this part. 7 pairs we will get for 1 over 3 to the power of 7, right? 1 2 5 6 7, and there is this thing which is which needs to be added, this part which is a singular one, right? This, so we are going to add 1 over 2 times 3. So it's very simple, you just take the LCM. It is going to be 1, denominator is 2 times 3 to the power of 7, but we need to multiply this part by 2, so it becomes 14 plus 1, which is 15, right? 15 over 2 times 3 to the power of 7, and you know 15 contains a 3, right? 5 3s are 15, and it subtracts its power by 1, so it becomes 3 to the power. And what's the value of 3 to the power of 6? You can see 3 to the power of 6 is just like 9 times 9 times 9. So it is 81, right? 9 9 is 81. And what about this 729? You can do it in mind. 9 1 is 9 and 9 72. And you have to double it, right? What's the double of 729? 9 2 is 18. So we get the 8 in the denominator and 1 on the top. 2 is a 4 and 1 5. And then 7 2 is a 14, right? We get 14 over. What about the numerator? Numerator we just have 5. So this is our final. Hope you got it. If you need anything like explaining all these parts, how to deal with them, you can tell me. I will show you in my next video. And comment, please comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm waiting for your subscribes and likes. Thank you for watching this. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.